All right, y'all. What's up, y'all? Jamo 456. For y'all that don't know, jack of all, master of none. But I get it in, or I get it done. All right, y'all. So this is what I got going. Got the 86L Camino popping. Got it back. Okay, somebody was over here. But got the Rhino liner. Bung, spare parts. That's the drive shaft. Boom. It's looking alright, looking alright. They redid the trim. The guy did the trim horribly. You see it. Hold on. U.S.C. Trojan, baby. Fight on. Bung, 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 bung. Alright, so they did the door panels, put those on. Did the new strikers. Alright, it's closing nice. Gotta slam it a little. I'm gonna call my man Big Bruce over here. Big Daddy. I'm gonna paint the frame. I was gonna do the new A-arms. Alright, I know everybody say do the A-arms. I'm just gonna do the bushings for now. I'm not trying to get a damn race car. Just gonna paint the what do you call it, control arms. Get new bushings. I just took off the motor mounts. Let me show you those. Got the new poly inserts. I was gonna go with the ride techs and all that other stuff, and not ride tech, excuse me. You know, what's the name? The bushings, whatever. So those are the ones. Got the Summit brand. It's a poly. Poly's poly. But I did get the UMI motor mounts. All right. She looking all right. She looking all right. It's gonna get there. It's gonna get there.